Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro Enterprise Bundle 1-inch CMOS Sensor UAV F2.8 to F11 Aperture 16 times digital zoom and 3 times lossless zoom ADS-B receiver data encryption 360 degrees obstacle avoidance 8-level wind resistance EVO 2 Pro Enterprise for Public Safety, Mapping and Searching version 2. Hi, welcome my friend. A balance of power and portability delivers higher operational efficiency. 42 minutes flight time, 8-level wind resistance, and 13 kilometers HD transmission. Dual frequency image transmission system also can be portable to go everywhere you go. Autel EVO 2 Pro Enterprise is reliable in the harshest of environments. It can be bulked up with other accessories like strobe, spotlight, loudspeaker, and camera features to meet different demands of professionals. Also, with the minus 10 degrees C to plus 40 degrees C operating temperature, Autel EVO 2 Pro Enterprise can help you in every industry from firefighting to constructions, such as public safety, search and rescue, traffic supervision, power inspection, firefighting, and mapping. The EVO 2 Pro Enterprise comes with Autel Smart Controller, which value $12.99. The controller is equipped with a 7.9-inch Retina touchscreen that uses original color display technology. It has a resolution of 2048 by 1536, 13 kilometer image transmission distance, 128 gigabyte internal memory, customized operating system, 4.5 hours ultra-long battery life, and a maximum brightness of 2000 nit, which is 4 times of that of ordinary mobile device. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.